What's happening, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about a sound that we get asked a question about on 4Runner forums and 4Runner subreddits. 4th gen 4Runners, we get that a lot. I don't hear about it a lot on 3rd gen subreddits. Anyway, it's about this chattering, squeaking noise that sounds like it's coming from just in front of the engine or just behind the grill. And what that is your idler pulleys. So I'd done this job a little bit when it was a little bit colder and recorded it. So this is the video I have is from a little bit before now, but it definitely gets worse when it's super cold out. And sometimes when you start it for the first time, you'll hear kind of like this quick screech noise, and then it stops, and then you hear this chattering. So super common, and we're going to go through replacing the intentionally, we're going to be intentional about what we do, idler and tensioner pulleys today. So this is the before sound. It's kind of cold today, but it's not as cold as it was the other day. So I mean, it's used to scream at startup, but now it's, a little bit warmer, so it's not as bad, but that's standard, so let's go change it. All right, so the belt. Do I have a belt diagram? Oh, there it is. There we go. Yep, over, down. Okay, I was gonna make a video of this because I've been burned before where I take these off and either the hood's been replaced or the sticker is just unreadable. And then I'm like, wait, over, under, oh, wait, what? So, yay, we have a diagram. That makes it easier. All right, I'm going to get started. Well, I found it. So let's see if I can get it in here. So this is, you can just hear it. I mean, it spins really nice, but it's noisy. So that's the old one. And then here's the new one. I mean, all you can hear is my finger going across the pulley itself. But this is the one. Is it ready to fail? I mean, it's got some play to it for sure, but I'd rather get it done before it's completely dead, right? So, just so y'all know when you do this, that is a left-handed thread. So I was like, oh, I got to jam a pry bar in between those two pulleys right there to keep it from flexing, because the normal way is to, when you release the belt, it's counterclockwise, right? So if you do that, you could loosen your pulley bolt. So that's a left-handed thread. So FYI. All right, remember what I said before about finding the culprit?
Hey, it's all ball bearings nowadays.
Oh, you can feel the ridges of the needle bearings inside there. This thing is hammered and was about to let go. I can't tell you how quickly it would have done that, but yeah, that's toast. The other one, yeah, it was marginal, but this one, freaking hammered. So, all right, well, that's it. It's gonna be buttery smooth. Awesome. All right, so the spec on this is the part number for a Dayco belt is an 883, 5060883, and the one on here that it came with was, where is it? An 885. So somebody was smart. That 883 is a pain to put on. It is a total pain to put on. So I understand why they did it. But if I were to do it again, I would probably do an 885 as well. But the 883 does fit on there. And it takes some finagling to get it. I put it on here first, and then I left this one. I left the fan pulley to last because it's nice because it catches on here and allows you to re-ratchet the tensioner. so that you can get an extra bite on it to pull it a little bit more than you did before. So that's kind of nice to be able to have it sitting on there to catch another grip. So that's it. She's done. Let's start her up. All right, ready? Here she goes. Well, that's a new sound. What the? Oh, that pulley's frozen. Hold up. Well, that was easy to find. So I don't know why. I have to take a look at the design of the old pulley and the new one to see why that pulley is not spinning now. I have a feeling that washer that's on there, that kind of guards the bearing. I have a feeling that that is now contacting the pulley. So I'm going to check fitment to see if it bottoms out first. If not, I guess I just go with the bolt and ditch that washer. I think I can take it off without taking the belt off. We'll see. Okay, round two. Let's see what this does. Oh, there you go. So, I don't know if you can hear me. So what I did is the shoulder on that bolt is enough. I mean, you can see where it sits right here. So the shoulder of the bolt sits right there. So, where it sits on this pulley, I mean, that's wide enough, you can see, to hold the, to catch the bearing surface and not go inside it. So that sits inside there, so that's totally fine. So the bolt I have does fine. If I had a washer, yeah, I would have chucked it on there. I just don't have one. But again, you can take that right back off, and it works just fine. You don't have to take the belt off, so you can pull that bolt and take this off and then replace it. So I'm going to put a washer in here at some point. Just not today. That's it. Awesome. Mission successful. Awesome. So that's it. I hope this is helpful for folks who have that same noise or know what it is and just haven't done them yet, don't know how to go about it. The left-hand thread, I hope that's super helpful because it had me for about 5 minutes. I'm like, why can't I get this the tensioner pulley off? So I hope that really helps. I hope you enjoyed the content. And as always, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.